Hello everybody and welcome! In this video I will show you how to pair your headphones OnePlus Nord Buds 3 Pro with your PC. You have to start by press one time at the Windows button on your keyboard and write Bluetooth. Now click Enter and right here click Add Bluetooth. Now Bluetooth. Then open the charging case and it should enter to pairing mode automatically, but if it doesn't, just press and hold functional button right here at the bottom for a few seconds. Here we go. Now we should see it at the device list. And now just click on it. And then click Done. We did it! Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to channel and leave the like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later!